Good day, friends. If you are students and math teachers in the elementary, high school, or senior high, your math subjects, involve a lot of multiplications. So, I suggest that math teachers share this technique to their students, especially those who are weak, slow, or simply dislike math. With the fast and easy multiplication technique, students may realize that math is indeed amazing and start to get interested with the subject. I will introduce to you the second technique, that is to get the product of any number times 5 through multiplication and division, then compare them with the one uploaded earlier. So you have two options. Which one you feel comfortable, then use it, practice it. Okay? Let's start. Let's have number 1. Don't get scared that the the multiplicand is composed of 8 digits. It's chicken, not turkey. As long as you know the procedure, there's nothing to worry about. Now take note that 5 can be written as 10 over 2. So we will multiply this number with 10 or simply add 1, 0 and divide the whole thing with 2. So let's divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remember, always write the answer right below the number that you are working with. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 0 divided by 2 is 0. So the answer is 123,401,340. You can check this out. So this is the second method, multiply and divide to get the product. Now, what about the first method? We'll compare. Remember, when it's even, take half of the neighbor. Okay. So, this is 8. It has no neighbor, so just write 0. This is even, so half of this is 4. This is even, half of this is 3. This is even, half of this is 1. Even, that is 0. Even, that is 4. Even, that is 3. Even, that is 2. I remember that we have to write 0. No, I forgot. There must be a 0 before the first number. So, even, half of this is 1. So the answer is, they are the same. So you can check that out. Now this is good for even numbers only. What about if the multiplicand is composed of odd and even numbers? So we have 3, 5, 9, and 7. So let's cancel this. Replace that with 10 over 2. Or simply add 1, 0 and divide the whole thing with 2. Okay? So, 3 divided by 2 is 1. So, you have 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract from 3, you have remainder 1. So, this becomes now 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 5 divided by 2 is 2. If you multiply that one, that is 4. Subtract from 5, that is, the remainder is 1. So, this becomes now 18 divided by 2, that becomes 9. And then, 9 divided by 2 is 4. If you multiply that, that would be 8. Subtract from 9, you have a remainder of 1. So that becomes 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8. And then that would be 16. You have remainder 1. So that becomes 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is the answer is 1,729,485. You can check this out. What about the first method uploaded earlier? Can you remember? Excuse me. I always excuse. I am coughing. You have to write 0 first, then start. What is the procedure? If it is odd, take 5 plus half the neighbor. It has no neighbor, so take 5. Or write down 5. We have to put a line. We have to put a line so that you will not be confused with the answer. Okay. So this is add again. Take 5 plus half of the neighbor. So 5 plus 3, that would be 8. This is even. So half of 9 is 4. This is add. So 5 plus half of this, that would be 8. Oh, my 8 is not clear. We have to erase that one. We have to make it clear. That would be 5 plus... No. 5 plus half of 8 is 4, so that would be 9. This is even, so half of this is 2. This is add, so 5 plus half of this, that would be 7. This is even, half of this is 1. So the answer is 1,729,485. They are the same. So, which one do you think is more comfortable to you? Then practice it. Because others may use this method, others may use the other method. So, it's up to you which one you feel comfortable with. Now, more videos are coming, so please subscribe and share so that others may also know this method or technique. Thank you.